So we came to this Seven Oaks Nature Preserve walkway, which seems to be just like a neighborhood walking path. And all the neighborhoods are, oh, look at this. Fuzzy. All the neighborhoods are gate restricted. So we parked at the clubhouse. So fuzzy. So fuzzy. So we'll see. I didn't wear my walking shoes, I just wore my flip-flops. So I'm not expecting to walk very far. We'll see what we do.
Look at those bird nests on top of that power pole. There's one back there, one there. And there's something up there, because I did see something just fall before I turned the camera over there. There's a bird up there.
Up there.
Birds up there. Oh. Looks like there's a power pole between the two, way back there. With another nest. Is that am I looking at the right thing? You see the third one, right? Mm-hmm.
Look, there's a tortoise.
Where?
Straight ahead on there. Look, the tortoise.
Didn't see us yet. Didn't see us. Alright, I'm done scaring you. Leave me alone.
Look how pretty. It's illegal to keep migratory bird feathers in the state of Florida. Well, it got cloudy and breezy for a few seconds. Now the sun's back out. I'm getting burnt again. We didn't even walk the trail once we found it. Just going back down the Florida Power Path Road. Florida Power Road. Back to the car. Then we're gonna go to the next brewery. Link will be above. to see our brewery tour of Wesley Chapel. You're making things up.
Saw a red cardinal in here. A male. Well, that nature trail wasn't exactly what I expected.
No, I expected like a park setting, or at least a nature trail that we could get to, but apparently that's not what it was. It's just for the people that live there, I guess.
It wasn't bad, but
We walked like 10 steps on the nature trail and then turned around and went back to the car.
it was warm.
Yeah.
Oh well. So what did we see? You saw an osprey?
Saw an osprey?
Tortoise.
And a tortoise?
I saw a cardinal. She did not.
No. And I got a couple of pictures of a, I can't remember what kind it is, a pennant dragonfly of some sort. I haven't found any spiders yet. Still looking.
Oh well.
It was a quick break between breweries.
More breweries.
We needed it. Now we're going to the next one. Right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.